All right, what's going on, guys? So, I'm about to give you a tour of my room at Conrad Beijing, room 2607 on the 26th floor. Let's have a look. Pretty nice. So, let's start to the right. You have a desk with the phone, and they bring you some oranges if you're a Hilton Elite, which is really nice. And then they also give you a piece of paper with all your Elite benefits. So you get complimentary food and beverage at the executive lounge. Breakfast from 6:30 to 11 in the executive lounge. Afternoon tea is 3 to 5. Happy hours from 5:30 to 7:30. Things of that nature. So y'all can pause it here to read it if you like. QR code that you can scan for food. Phone. Down here is if you have there's a ton of plugs here. So, for computer, TV, etc. I haven't seen VGA port in forever. And this is old school right here. Remember back in the day, if you want to play a video game, you had to alternate the cords to figure out how to get the screen to turn on. That's what this reminds me of. All right, got some really nice decorations here. And then to your left, when you walk in, is all the room controls. So, do not disturb, make up your room. And then here's the current temperature in the room. It is hot outside, so this is perfect right here. Let's turn on the cloakroom light. So here's the closet. Got these swanky robes. Looks like you got some more bedding up there. Nothing on the other side but a mirror. All right, and then you got your mini bar in here, I believe. And, of course, mini bar is going to cost you extra. So if you're into that sort of thing, be my guest, but I am not one of them. And you got, looks like a coffee maker. And then you got your complimentary amenities, like your toothpaste, shaving kit, comb, toothbrush. Those are always come in handy. Then you get your 2 free bottles of water for being Hilton Elite. Got this nice wall decoration here. All right. Here's the bed. It's a really comfortable bed, actually. And then on one side you have the bed controls. So you can turn on your night light, which is down there. Then you can adjust the brightness as well. Got an alarm clock. But I got my phone, so I won't need that. Got your Samsung TV. Is this open? I don't think this opens. Actually, it does open. I was struggling, y'all. Not sure what's in here. Doesn't look like anything. Struggle for nothing. And this one is stationary. And then we got the remote. That's pretty awesome. I've never seen a remote in its own little case. Then we got this long couch with a table in between. Here's the view of Beijing. It's a lot of concrete out there, but you know, I'll take it. It's not like Conrad Tokyo. I had a bay view. Nowhere near that, but I'm not complaining. And then on this side, you got the same controls, but you also have the curtain controls as well. So we'll check these out. That's pretty cool. And I got my Conrad rubber duck. Gotta add this to the one I got in Tokyo. And then the pillow menu. So I guess these are the pillows that are on the bed currently. That's new. Put a pen in the notepad. I have to keep this Conrad pen. It's pretty nice. All right, bathroom. So we got some modes here as well for the bathroom. Let's check them out. I love it. And you got your tub. The rubber duck was right there where the soap is. I already put it where I wanted it to go. Got a pretty soft mat there when you get out the tub. You got a scale. So, you know, if you want to weigh yourself after eating all the Chinese food, you can. And then you got 2 sinks with towels in between. And then we got a hair dryer in there. I don't got no hair to dry though, so I won't have any use for it. Down here looks like it's a trash can. And these don't open. Let's see here. Oh, there's this red light. I'm not sure what that is. Huh. Very interesting. Not sure. Then you got a bottle of water on each side. So it looks like they're changing their policy to promote sustainable consumption. I feel like a lot of hotels are. And then on the left side is your shower. And then right next to the shower is the toilet. No bidet here. So yeah, this is my room at the Conrad Beijing. It is nice. That bed is calling me because your boy is wrecked. So I hope y'all enjoyed this room tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. Until then, stay tuned for the next non-stop adventure.